Hello fellow traders, this is Paul Lumo. Got a decent looking stock here. Actually have real good price action considering the overall market has been very volatile in a downtrend. This one has had a really nice cup action, and I'm going to break it down here for you in a second. But first, before we dive in, make sure to smash that like button and subscribe. It really helps us reach more traders like you and keeps you updated on our latest trading tips. Now the short-term trading action on this stock is really good, really tight. But I'm going to show you the longer term trading action. The longer term cycle is a little bit more challenging, but let's first break down the short term cup. We had a 1.4 BMI breakout, vector of 2 on the left hand side of the cup. But we had a really tight consolidation. Again, that's a big gain in a relatively short period of time. It's about 6 months or so. Let's look at that here. Yeah, close to 6 months on that. And despite that, the give back on that was not very much. A TM-1 cycle only pulled back to about 30 bucks. And then you had the TM-2 cycle, that is the 3.5 month cycle. Basically, it held above that on a close, that first cycle low. So we have a price squeeze coming in there. And so right now you have a TM-5 cycle. That's a 12 to 15 month cycle setting. And it's squeezing also. It's got the higher lows from that second cycle low. So all we have to do is push out of this $35 psychological price point. Again, I like to scale in, basically take 1/3, 1/3, 1/3 based on a breakout of a 5-bar high, 10-bar high, and a 25-bar high. So we're right at that $35 psychological price point. So if we can get a little spike up and maybe a pullback inside of that one more time, it'd be a great opportunity to scale in on that three-part position. If you're unfamiliar with any of the trading terms I'm using, you can find our club lingo at bigkahunaTradingClub.club/lingo. So let's look at the long-term cycles on this. It's a little bit less clean on the longer-term cycles, but short-term cycles really tight and look pretty good. So let's look at the long-term cycle channel. That is probably about the 3.5 year plus TY2 cycle. Again, it's a primary cycle, and it's probably off by about a month in there. Let me see here. Yeah, about a month on that being perfect. 3.5 is right there. That was around 6.6, and this spike right here is around 8.3. Actually, it's close to 2 months. So if you went purely on a 3.5, you had a head fake out of that, pull back inside, and you could have drilled down probably the TM-1 cycle there to catch the exact lows. But again, these cycles are very powerful. They catch turns very close to the exact turns on that. So that's what we're looking at with the big picture, short-term picture on it. Again, really tight, really stellar trading action in this cup here. As far as price targets, again, my rule of thumb is if we get a real clean high momentum cup out of the breakout here, PBC zone, looking for generally 200% on a really strong momentum cup. And this right here, a little bit lower VR, so I'd probably be looking for 100 to 150%. So if we get out of the cup right here around 38 or so, probably be looking $75 to $80 target on that. Again, this looks pretty good. It's SPR, Spirit Aerosystems Holdings. If you're interested in a trading style and want to join the club or get one-on-one coaching, head over to cycletradingtraining.com. Hope you enjoyed the video. Take care.